Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights together. I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you, so let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic: top fruits and vegetables for heart health and improved circulation. Fruits and vegetables play a significant role in maintaining heart health and promoting healthy blood circulation. Here are some of the best options. Fruits: 1. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, high in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, rich in fiber and vitamin C. 2. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits, high in vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessels and improves circulation, contains flavonoids that can reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 3. Apples, rich in soluble fiber and polyphenols, which can lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health, contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation. 4. Bananas, high in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper heart function, contains magnesium and fiber. 5. Pomegranates, rich in antioxidants, particularly punicalagins, which improve heart health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, may help reduce blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Vegetables: 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, high in nitrates, which can help dilate blood vessels and improve circulation, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 2. Beets, high in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in the body, helping to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, contains betalains, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Garlic, contains allicin, which can help reduce blood pressure and improve blood flow, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 4. Tomatoes, rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and improve heart health, contains vitamins and minerals that support overall cardiovascular health. 5. Bell peppers, high in vitamin C and A, which support blood vessels health, contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support circulation. 6. Carrots, high in beta-carotene and fiber, which support heart health, contains antioxidants that help maintain healthy blood vessels. General tips: variety and balance. Aim for a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure a broad spectrum of nutrients. Whole foods: choose whole fruits and vegetables over processed options to maximize fiber and nutrient intake. Colorful plate: the more colorful your plate, the better. Different colors often indicate a range of different nutrients and antioxidants. Incorporating these fruits and vegetables into your daily diet can significantly contribute to better heart health and improved blood circulation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.